AI is shaking up how we hire. And it's got everyone asking the same thing. Will AI replace human recruiters? Some worry it might. After all, companies using AI tools are already hiring up to 75% faster and cutting costs in a big way. It sounds like the end of the human recruiter's role, right? Not really. Recruitment is more than filling a position. It's about people, about reading between the lines, sensing hesitation, building trust, making tough calls with limited information. No algorithm can do that. However, AI can do something else. It can take care of the busy work. The endless filtering, the follow-ups, the admin, the chasing. AI takes all of that off your plate so you can focus on what actually matters. The future is not AI versus recruiters. It's recruiters who use AI versus those who don't. The ones who adapt will work faster, think smarter, and hire better. So no, AI is not here to take your hiring job. It's here to help you own it.